How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna be applying this Meguiar ceramic hybrid wax, and at the end of the video we're gonna find out if it really protects your car. So here are the things that we'll be using today: the hybrid ceramic wax from Meguiar, wax applicator, and a microfiber towel. First, you have to shake well before we apply the wax. Smells good. Smells like fruit. So after 5 minutes, you have to remove the first coat that you did on this side with a microfiber towel. You only need 5 minutes to dry the wax, then you take it out. So the Meguiar ceramic hybrid wax seals paint for long-lasting protection. Has a formula to produce a slick, protective water-beading layer that helps seal your paint from the environment. So now we're gonna check it out if it really do the water beads after the application of the wax on the car. So now I'm gonna pour this water to check out the water beading properties. Wow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe and I will see you on the next one.